In example 4, we'll use the statement and the diagram to determine the measure of the angle or segment. So here we have to do more than just find x. We need to find the measure of the angle or segment. We're given that FO is congruent to OX. So that means their measures, which 2x plus 10 is the measure of that length, is congruent, or excuse me, the measures are equal. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 4x minus 30. There's a lot of ways to solve this. I like to deal with positive coefficients of x, so I'm going to subtract 2x from each side. We'll add 30. 40 is equal to 2x. We'll divide by 2, and x is equal to 20. We're not done yet. It says determine the measure of the angle or segment. So FO is going to be 2x plus 10, which is 2 times 20 plus 10. So that's 40 plus 10, which is 50. 4x minus 30 is OX. So we'll replace x with 20. Solve there. That's 80 minus 30, which is 50. If those are congruent, then they should have the same measure, and this is a good check. X is not the solution for this. We have to determine the measure of the angle or segment. In this one, we're given that CLW is congruent to OLN. So we can set 3x minus 8. I'm going to have to move this up a little bit here. So we can set 3x minus 8 is equal to negative 4x plus 20 equal to each other. Their measures are the same. They're congruent. So we can, let's see here, we'll add 4x to each side. 7x minus 8 is equal to 20. We'll add 8. 7x is equal to 28, divide by 7, and x will be 4. Again, we're not done with this problem. We want to find the measure of angle CLW, which is 3x minus 8, or 3 times 4 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. So even though that's a small angle and it doesn't look like that on the diagram, sometimes the diagrams aren't drawn to scale. We don't know what this is. It's degrees or something else, but if it's degrees, it's going to be kind of a smaller angle. So anyways, the measure of angle CLW is what we're looking for here. Remember, that's what the instructions asked us to do. We should check out the measure of angle OLN to make sure we did this correctly. So that's negative 4 times x, which we think is 4, plus 20. Negative 16 plus 20. And the measure of angle OLN is just 4. So it's good. They're both the same, and we're asked to find the measures of those angles.